So the defense industry, they make bajillions of dollars selling weapons, nukes, jets, all kinds of shit that kills people. Military needs that shit to kill people, so they buy missiles and bombs and tanks and shit. But if they run out of money, they're like, we need more money, and the defense industry is like, we got to grow because capitalism, and so they lobby Congress. So they're like, here's some money. We got lots of money, and Congress is like, thanks, we'll expand the military budgets, and then it just kind of keeps going, and that's what Dwight Eisenhower in like 1960 whatever was warning us about when he talked about the military industrial complex.